fallen back into the pain from which you freed me once again, slackening my rein entirely to see if I might learn to live well and nobly far from you. Well and nobly know I'd survive, securely though my joys be few, as I see many living here without you, without your aid, rich men and men of merry cheer, whose shame is lost and not dismayed. Shame is lost and not dismayed. From every other foe I know, a man can shield himself with blade, or put his shield before him, so at least between himself and shade he can step from the beaten way, or hide in some secreted place, or strength or daring hold the day, or skill or a defensive space, or castles, walls, a fortress hold, or friends or good help unafraid. But he on whom your war is told grows weaker the more he is arrayed. Ah, my heart, why comes it not from where it stayed that former year? Love, I ask you, know you what? My lady, why do you keep it here? I go to see if she'd return it. I am eager for the going, but for the coming back who'd learn it? I'd make 2 steps of one, scarce knowing. God be with you hurts me worse than God save you gives me aid. Lady, were it not for the parting's curse, the coming would be sweetly made. 3 letters of the ABC, learn but 3, I ask no more. AMT, for these 3 mean the same as I love you evermore. For with so much clerkly art we'd have enough, both I and you, but truly I would have a part of O and C many a season too. So that if I said, speak, confess, lady, would you give me aid? I think you would be nothing less than quick to say the word unstayed. Good lady, it is long and late before I tell you my desire, and then but little, and in fears wait, yet for all that I do not tire. And because your company is full of jealous men and cold, a friend would suit you, lady, one among so many vexers bold. For I am fearful and you are doubted, wherefore we have need of aid. Begin then, why are you routed? Good lady, ere the game is played. The going, good lady, pleases me toward you for hope of help at need. And when I have returned, I see my pain increased and my heart's bleed. May you have good fate, for you give me ever ready hate. With your